Hello, I am Lesuri and I like reading.
Hello, my name is Maider and I like dancing modern dance.
Hi, I am Mayalin and I like surfing.
Hi, I am Una and I have a lot of money. And now the two questions.
Who is the famous singer from California?
And what is your school bus like?
Hello, I am Misero and I like California.
Hello, I am Javier and I like swimming. Hi, I am Larracha and I am 10 years old.
Hello, I am Eneko and I have a dog. And now the two questions.
What time do you finish at school at?
Do most children live near the school?
Hello, I'm Elena and I like singing.
Hello, I am Online and I like play basketball.
Hello, I am Sara and I like California.
Hello, I am Heitor and I like play with my 3 dogs. And now the 2 questions.
How do you celebrate Christmas at school?
What are the most popular sweets in California?
Hello, my name is Aitor and I like football.
Hi, I'm Garbiñe and I like practicing taekwondo.
Hello, I am Ander and I like the animals. And now 2 questions.
What do you do before school?
How many subjects do you have at school?
Hello, I am Sofia and I love painting.
Hello, I am Annie and I like skiing.
Hello, I am Xavier and I like dogs.
Hello, I am Aymar and I like football. And now the 2 questions.
What do you do after the school?
Do you like the Golden State basketball team?
Hello, I am Lady and I like strawberries. Hi, I am Maya and I like dancing ballet.
Hello, I am John and I like surfing and play football.
And this is Miguel Esteban, but he don't come because he's under the weather. And now the 2 questions. Is your school near a beach?
Do you like surfing?
Hello, I am Nicolas and like video games.
Hello, I am Annie and I live in Gatica.
Hello, I'm Ibai and I like kangaroos.
Hi, I'm Marky and my favorite color is the pink. And now the 2 questions. What are some of your favorite songs?
Do you a lot of junk food?
In school, we study some questions. For example, what, where, and who.
And some videos, for example, go to bed, Anthony's pants, and the magic word.
We do it out of points. For example, go say the right song one day. Come over the forest and we'll play. Put on your jacket and boots of red and gold. The autumn is coming and the days are cold.
And here we have one strawberry and is of the group of strawberries that we help the people to remember to speak Basque and look at the strawberries of the class. Now we're going to say goodbye to Basque.